Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 7.2-inch sharp display from CCFL to our LED upgrade kits. The sharp number is LM64P101. Okay, the lamp was mounted on the left side. Well, it depends, yeah, on this side. So there's 3 screws. You need to remove it, tiny screws. And then after we remove it, take it out, and we're gonna mount this right back. Okay, so this LED kit comes with 1 LED strip, 1 driver with 2 wires. So red can connect to positive 12 volt to 24 volt, and black will be negative. Okay, so first you may remove this tiny screw first, but be careful. This is old screen, is really old, so sometimes the plastic is film is easy to damage. Just be careful. Okay. So we take this one out. Okay, take it out. So you see the lamp, right? This is, see all this, some of the glass is all broken, cracked. So basically, the wire come out from this side, we're gonna mount it like this. Okay, we are going to mount it like this. Yeah. Just make sure it stays there, and okay, you can just put it back like this. Yeah. Okay. Just do it like that, and then put the screw back, and then you secure the wires. Okay. It's quite easy. Okay. Then we're going to secure the wires on this side, just like that. Add a piece of tape. And then after we add a piece of tape, we need to just connect to it. You can mount it back with screen, or you can mount it anywhere on your HDMI machines, and then that's it. Thank you for watching.